Okay, this is Jackson RC Aviation, and I'm with Mason. And today we're looking at the 22 Sprint Losi uh, edition. And what's in the box? If you turn around this way here, turn around. So you got the read those in for me. The
you panel templates available for download. You can put any TLR parts on there. You got threaded aluminum shocks,
yeah.
adjustable turnbuckles, and offset 2.5 millimeter 60166 Willen casting.
Gotcha. And then you got a switch here that you can open the back and all that. Now, this is the real edition here. This is this one here. As you can see, this is the one that comes with the battery and the charger. But since we're here, give you a better close-up of what it is. And of course you got the one behind you here. By the way, this is a short version until we get one. So that's what it looks like. That's what the top looks like. I'll give you a little better look on the inside with the driver right there. So that being said, that is the Sprint car from Losi. Check it out. We'll be doing more as we go. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.